Try another one. Here we go. This one's a little easier. What do you think the LCD is? Alright, well it's going to need a 6. I can get all of those to be 6. What exponent on the A should I use? A squared. What exponent on the B? B squared. So what does each fraction need so that we can have that common denominator? Well, this one let's start at the beginning. This is 6a squared, and I need 6a squared b squared, so this one needs a b squared. So, b squared over 6a squared b squared. What does this one need to match that? Multiply by 2. What else? A squared. Alright, so 2a squared on the top, 6a squared b squared. Alright, it's getting kind of hard to see here. Alright, what does this one need so that it has the common denominator? It needs a 6 and a A and a B. So then I get 6a squared b squared. Need to multiply the top by the same thing, 12ab. Now I can write my final fraction as 6a squared b squared. They all have the same bottom. And I can add the top. B squared plus 2a squared plus 12ab. I could rewrite that in a different form by writing 2a squared plus 12ab plus b squared over 6a squared b squared. Is there any common factor that comes out of that? No. I could try to factor into 2 parentheses, but this doesn't have a plus, so that won't help either. So we'll call that the answer. Let's try one more. Probably getting bored of these. Well, you can stop the video if you want and try some of the homework and then come back if you get stuck. All right. 2 different denominators. This does not factor, so the only way to get them the same is to multiply this one by y over y, and this one by y plus 1 over y plus 1. So let's do that. Y over y plus 1 over y plus 1. So my answer, y squared plus 1. Oh, I meant y squared here. Be careful. All right. So the top on this side is 2y plus 5y squared plus 5. And I could try to factor a common factor out of here, but there is not one. I could rewrite the order. I like the order 5y squared plus 2y plus 5 over that same denominator. I won't write that again. Save time. One last fraction to solve. This one's really hard because I need to factor both of these to find out the common denominator. And that part's a little harder to do. All right, so here's the last problem. Notice both bottoms are trinomials. That means factoring in order here. So let's go. 2 parentheses. Factors for the x squared part. That's easy. Factors of minus 6. 2 and 3, and I need to have a plus and a minus, and let's put the plus on the 3. Plus 3 minus 2. All right, let's factor the next one. 2 parentheses again. The x part is easy. Factors of plus 2, I need a minus in the middle, so I'm going to need a minus 2 and a minus 1. Now, if I look at these 2 fractions, they do not have the same denominator, so I can't add them until I find the denominator. What is the common denominator going to be? Well, it's going to have x plus 3, x minus 2, and x minus 1. So, LCD, x plus 3, x minus 2, x minus 1. This one has one of those pieces missing. What piece? The x minus 1. So multiply x minus 1 times the top and the bottom. What does this one need? It's got the 2 minus, x plus 3. So multiply x plus 3 times the top and times the bottom. So my answer is going to have all 3 of those. X plus 3. x minus 2, x minus 1. This top, let's distribute. 3x minus 3. This top, if I distribute first, I get 2x plus 6. But then I notice this minus sign. I also have to distribute that. So minus times 2x, minus 2x, minus times 6, minus 6. Now I can combine like terms. I still got the same denominator, x plus 3, x minus 2, x minus 1. If I combine like terms, I end up with an x, 3x, take away 2x, minus 3 and minus 6, x minus 9. Put a parenthesis. Can I cancel this x with this x? Hope you said no. I need whole thing with whole thing. Nothing reduces. Final answer. Good luck with the homework.